Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you really easily how to make your own Western Union account. Guys, please listen to me carefully, follow every single possible step I'm going to show you, because if you don't do that, of course, something might go wrong. So please listen to me, pay attention, let's get started. First thing first, what we need to do here, guys, is of course this. We need to go on Google, of course, type in Western Union, blah, 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 and so on, and go on the first link right here. So with Western Union, send money online from the United States at our best price and everything. Send them out right here. You can see receiver gets. You get some special offers, check rates right here. You can see you save almost $2 on fee right here, and the receiver gets 38.86 Mexican more, guys, and that's really amazing. They have these amazing rates and everything, and that's why Western Union is maybe the most popular way to send money, guys, internationally and in the country as well. So what we need to do else, naturally, in top right corner you have register. Right here, what we need to do, guys, create your profile, register now and get better exchange rate and $0 fee on your first online transfer. So that's really magnificent. I didn't know that about that $0 fee, guys. So we need to put in right here email address, and I'll put in the password. So see you in a second. Once you put in your password, guys, just press on register right here, and right now we're waiting for the circles to be done. You can save your password, of course, guys, and what we need to do else is to go to our mail, guys. So you need to go to your email, of course, and verificate your profile. And what can you see else, guys? I just went to my email, see the pin, guys, that will be available for you for 72 hours, so you have plenty of time to type it in back, guys. We send over 400,000 online money transfers to Mexico every month right here. Send them out, receive them out, and everything. You can check it out, guys, for yourself, how it looks like, how does the receiver want to pay, how would you like to pay, and everything. And definitely my recommendation for this app, for this in general company, Western Union is one of the strongest money send company, guys, in the world. So definitely worth it. Give it a shot and check it out right now. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.